Hello and welcome to Baking with Master John. Today we'll be making a double layered pumpkin pie and I have prime. Okay, for double layered pumpkin pie you need 4 oz of cream, cheese, softened cream cheese. Is that what you mean? This is Master Mom.
So, we need to open this up. How many ounces is that?
8.
8 ounces. How many do we need?
4. Cut it in half.
1,
2, 3, 4.
4. So,
Cut it.
you're not
And
gonna.
I like to cut G.
So, this piece here.
Mix cream, cheese,
Go from there.
and 1 tablespoon of milk. Also, we still haven't done listing all the ingredients you need. You need 4 oz of cream, softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or 2 teaspoons of splenda, 1 teaspoon of milk or almond milk, and 1 1/2 cup thawed cool whipping topping with a cool emoji for just funniness.
You were saying substitute sugar. The reason why we're doing substitute sugar is this is supposed to be a sugar-free double layer
Pumpkin pie. Then 1 ready crushed
graham
cracker pie crust. And then we have 1 cup of cold milk cold / almond milk, 1 kg vanilla package of 4 serving size of vanilla and
Show pumpkin. See, pumpkin.
pumpkin.
And then we'll have to get the spices, which say you have cinnamon, ginger, and clover.
So we already put the cream cheese in the mixture. Now we need 1 tablespoon of almond milk. I'm gonna burn. Yeah, that was morbid.
So, yeah.
Then we need sugar.
Sweetener.
So but you can use sugar instead. Whiska. Let's get close up on the camera. Oh yeah, we have to whisk it until smooth. Then gently stir and whip topping and spread on the bottom of the crust. Now time! Introducing Cool Whip! Open it. Number tea!
We just want to... Alright, so we got 1.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get this from the refrigerator? Yep, that sounds good.
Look at how much we have left!
Okay, so why do we make this recipe?
I don't know. We just found it.
No. It's someone in their family that...
Grandma's!
We make this because diabetics need something that she would like to have dessert.
And then spread it on the bottom of the crust.
So before you spread it on the crust, you need to do what?
Oh, take this off?
Take the plastic off. You don't want to accidentally put it on the plastic. You are right-handed, so you probably want to go this way, right? I'm left-handed, so just put it on there. Yeah, spread it on the crust. This is going to be like the cheesecake.
Whipped cream, whipped cream, whipped cream, whipped cream.
So you're going to hold it with one hand. This is your right hand. And you hold it there.
Hey, this is Master John's cooking show. Spread the bottom of the crust. Pour 1 cup of almond milk into the bowl. Okay.
So we're going to put this to the side. Go to 1 cup. Be careful.
Yo, that's more than 1.
Right.
Hey, this is Adventures with John.
Careful.
Just
There. Go ahead and stir.
stirring. Beat with my whisk until well blended. Mixture will be thick. Yeah. You just your thing. We're back from that weird thing that just happened. Stirring pumpkin and spices with wire whisk. Pumpkin and spices with wire whisk.
So you need to have 1 hand on here
Okay.
and 1 hand turning that.
This way?
Turn it doesn't matter. That's not part of the family
recipe. Yeah, but now it will be. Why risk this? But don't we need to put it on a mixture now?
You gotta mix those together.
Oh, hand.
Just keep stirring.
Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. I'm sorry now.
We do have the cinnamon, ginger, and clover, but it was faster to just use a pumpkin spice of 2 tablespoons.
You can use cinnamon and ginger if you want to. So, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just stirring, just keep stirring. You laugh! Your mom.
Oh, it even looks good. It looks like it. Good job, buddy.
Refrigerate for at least 3 hours.
So, here's your pie. Nice and white. With the cream cheese and Cool Whip.
Yep.
Dash of sugar, right? And then
Dash of sugar. We didn't put sugar in.
we put substitute sugar.
Oh, so dash of sugar.
Yeah.
Yo, that looks like delicious.
It does look like delicious.
Isn't the whipped cream usually on top?
Not this one.
Oh wait, after it's cooled down, we put the whipped cream.
After it's cooled down, we'll put extra Cool Whip on our food. But this, that's how you keep this piece. So you take the wrapper off. You're gonna wash it. Just the plastic that came with it. Make sure you clean it off, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna put it on top like that, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator.
What? What?
And then you're gonna clean up our mess, right?
Yes.
All right.
Throw this plate away. Master John tastes his meal before he finishes.
3 hours later.
So, our pie, our double-layered pumpkin pie has finished. Hey, weren't we gonna put pudding? Hey, we got something. Welcome to the underground. How was the fall? If you want to take a look around, give us your... What? It's the return of the most loved man ever. Cool Whip. And into stomach you go.
Good.
Thanks for watching this bakery.